8 o'clock on Saturday morning, and we have a busy day planned. We are launching the boat in a little bit. Got my coffee, and then I'm gonna start with 2 really simple videos this week. So the first one's gonna be a breakfast, which is going to be banana pancakes, and then we're gonna do some charred broccoli. There's also a scallop fair today that I want to go to on the island, and then we have my cousin and her husband coming over for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna make some food for them as well. So a lot of food today. Got a workout in as well. The neighbors are looking at me funny, as they should. So yeah, so first up, here's the banana pancake video. All right, slight change of plans. Our neighbor who normally launches the boat for us, he launched his boat earlier today, and on his way back to launch our boat, part of the trailer actually fell off on the highway. So he's gonna try to fix it. Hopefully he'll be able to launch our boat at some point today. But I'm gonna go over to the grocery store so I can get some ingredients to do a little bit of recipe testing today. I'm also going to pick up some heirloom tomatoes for when my cousin and her husband come over later. I'm just trying to play it by ear until we know if we're going to be launching the boat or not today, and then if we're not, I'll move on to you know, maybe the next video or whatever it is we end up doing. Gotta get my workout in still, got this seafood festival to go to, but we'll see. There's a lot I want to do, and I'm just kind of waiting on whether or not we're going to launch this boat actually or not today. Second week in a row that we've tried to launch it and haven't been able to, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we're able to get it in later. Never a dull moment. Apparently he already fixed his trailer and he's already back here, so now we're going to put the boat in again. I was just about to start cooking, but that's not gonna happen now because now I gotta close up the car and I gotta help put the boat in. So we'll do the cooking when we get back, but I'll show you the boat launch too.
Under my wings, I can feel the air.
what is called, I think, Jazzy Scallop Seafood and Music Festival. Sounds pretty cool. Apparently it's just a bunch of the local restaurants get together and you go around, you try all of their, I think each one maybe makes like one of their signature dishes. You go around, taste each one of their dishes, and then you vote for your favorite, I think is the way it works. There's one restaurant there that I haven't eaten at, and it's called Black Eyed Susan. It'll be a good time, it's perfect weather for this, so really looking forward to trying some of the great local food. I think this is the third shirt that I've been wearing in this video. Check it out. So just left. It was actually really awesome. Food was really good. It's always interesting walking around with this camera on me. I feel like people think I'm crazy, which I guess is, you know, to be expected. And I kind of feel crazy myself actually. But actually a lot of people are really nice about it and they're really curious as to what you're doing. I was able to walk around behind all the tables today and miss all of the lines, so I didn't have to wait for anyone. But yeah, so we're gonna head home now. It's been a busy day. I feel like the sun has beaten down on me. There's people looking at me like I'm insane again. So now it's time to go do some cooking of my own. The end of this first episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions or if you want to see anything, something I should change, let me know. I will see you next week. Am I going to film this trip? Yes, I'm going to film this trip.
Yes!